Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the complexity of closing a financial account? It's a common experience, especially when dealing with online platforms. Today, we're going to simplify the process and show you exactly how to close your Questrade account. Questrade is a popular Canadian online brokerage firm offering a range of investment products and services. While it's a great platform for many, there may come a time when you decide to close your account. Whether you're switching to another broker, consolidating your finances, or simply no longer need the account, this guide will walk you through the steps. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you begin, it's essential to have all your necessary information readily available. This includes your Questrade account number, your personal identification, e.g., passport, driver's license, any relevant account passwords or security questions. Step 2. Log into your account. Access your Questrade account using your login credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the customer support or help section. Look for options related to closing your account or account closure requests. Step 3. Submit your closure request. Follow the instructions provided on the Questrade website. You may be required to fill out a form or submit a written request. Be sure to include the following information: your full name, your account number, the reason for closing the account, optional, your contact information, e.g., email address, phone number. Step 4. Verify your identity. Questrade may request additional verification to ensure the account closure is legitimate. This could involve providing copies of identification documents or answering security questions. Step 5. Settle your account. If there are any outstanding balances or positions in your account, you'll need to settle them before closing. This may involve selling assets or transferring funds to another account. Step 6. Confirm closure. Once you've addressed any outstanding balances and provided necessary verification, Questrade will process your account closure request. You may receive a confirmation email or letter notifying you that your account has been closed. Additional considerations: transferring assets. If you're moving your investments to another broker, Questrade may be able to assist with the transfer process. Account fees. Be aware of any early closure fees or penalties that may apply. Data privacy. If you have concerns about your data privacy, you can request that Questrade delete your personal information after the account is closed. Closing a Questrade account is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. By following the guidelines outlined in this video, you can efficiently close your account and move on to your next financial endeavors. Do you have any questions about closing your Questrade account? Feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to assist you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.